Good evening, everybody. My name is Brishti Day. I am from Department of Institution of Business Management, and my topic is suspense account locating and correcting error correctly. So, first of all, I introduced what is suspense account. A suspense account is a temporary account used in accounting to record uncertain or unclear transaction until they can be properly classified. It helps ensure that the trial balance remain balanced when there are disappearance such as unidentified payment, error or incomplete informations. Once the correct account is determined, the entries in the suspense account are transferred and account is closed. Next one, purpose of suspense account. First of all, temporarily hold unclassified or unclear transaction. Second one is ensure the trial balance remain balanced. Third one is identify and investigate errors or discrepancy. Fourth one is facilitate accurate reclassifications of transactions. Fifth one is prevent delay in financial reporting. On my next slide is common causes of errors. First of all, data entry mistake means incorrect amount or detailed enter in record. Second one is omission or error, failure to record transaction, misposting, posting entries to the wrong account. Then calculation error, incorrect addition, subtraction or mathematically error. Last one is transportation error, reversing digits, for example like writing 540 instead of 450 या फिर writing 750 instead of 570. Next slide is locating error. First of all, check the mispost. Ensure transaction were posted the correct account. Second one is verify calculation. Confirming all the calculation total balance are accurate. Third one is investigation. Missing information. Looking for missing details or incomplete data that may have caused the error. Fourth one is reconcile with the bank statement. Cross check entry with the bank record to identify disappearance. Fifth one is correct double entry. Ensure no duplicate entry are present in the suspense account. And my next slide is correcting error in accounting. First one, identify the error, adjustment the error, post to the right account, update records, document the correction, review the trial balance. और next slide is best practices for managing suspense account. फर्स्ट वन, हमें रेगुलर मॉनिटरिंग करनी चाहिए अपने अकाउंट की, सस्पेंस अकाउंट की. टाइमली रिकॉन्सिलाइजेशन, क्लियर डॉक्यूमेंटेशंस, मिनिमाइज यूज, प्रॉपर क्लासिफिकेशन, इम्प्लीमेंट कंट्रोल, ऑडिट ट्रायल, रेगुलर ट्रेनिंग. Then next slide is impact of neglecting a suspense account. Inaccurate financial record, unresolved discrepancy can lead to misstate financial statement, unbalanced trial balance, delayed error detection, completion issues. My next slide is conclusion. In conclusion, a suspense account play a crucial role in the managing accounting discrepancy and error. Regular monitoring, timely reconciliation, and proper documentation are essential practices to ensure financial record, maintain compliance, and support effective decision making. Neglecting the suspense account can result in inaccurate financial statement, delayed error detections, operational inefficiency and loss of creditability. Therefore, it is important to manage the suspense account diligently to maintain the integrity of the accounting process. Thank you.